Welcome to this video on geography, specifically Lesson 3, The World of Coordinates, based on the new Maharashtra State Board syllabus for Class 6. In this exercise, we match pairs. The correct matches are Tropic of Cancer at 23 degrees 30 minutes north, Tropic of Capricorn at 23 degrees 30 minutes south, the Antarctic Circle at 66 degrees 30 minutes south, and the Arctic Circle at 66 degrees 30 minutes north. The correct option is B. Next, let's identify true statements. The 0-degree latitude divides the Earth into two equal hemispheres. The 0 and 180-degree longitudes divide the Earth into eastern and western hemispheres, and all longitudes have equal length. These three statements are true, making option B the correct choice. Let's examine some statements. The statement that all longitudes converge at the north and south poles is correct. Is it true that consecutive longitudes are parallel? No, this is incorrect. Consecutive longitudes are not parallel. They converge at the poles. Regarding the next statement, the 180-degree longitude is not the base longitude. The 0-degree longitude is the base longitude, also known as the prime meridian. And is the base longitude responsible for dividing the Earth into northern and southern hemispheres? No, that is incorrect. The base longitude divides the Earth into the eastern and western hemisphere. Finally, the statement that the equator is also called the Great Circle is correct. To summarize, statements 1 and 5 were correct, while 2, 3, and 4 required correction. Moving on to identifying features on a globe. The Tropic of Cancer is at 23 degrees 30 minutes north. The Tropic of Capricorn is at 23 degrees 30 minutes south. The equator is at 0 degrees latitude, and the base longitude or prime meridian is at 0 degrees longitude. We can also locate specific lines on the globe: 90 degrees east and west longitudes, 5 degrees east longitude, and 90 degrees north latitude, which marks the North Pole. On a global scale, Brazil is located in South America, while India, Japan, and China are all located in Asia. Identifying cities. Moscow is in Russia, Europe, Delhi is in India, Asia, Sydney is in Australia, and Tokyo is in Japan, Asia. Observing figure 3.15, we can determine it represents the northern hemisphere. Based on the same figure, we can observe two circles, two latitudes, 0 and 60 degrees north, and four longitudes, 0, 90 degrees east, 90 degrees west, and 180 degrees. To conclude, latitudes are horizontal lines parallel to the equator, numbered from 0 at the equator to 90 degrees north or south. Longitudes are vertical lines running from pole to pole, numbered from 0 at the prime meridian to 180 degrees east and west. Let's begin with identifying the main circles shown in figure 3.16. These include the equator, the Arctic Circle, the Tropic of Cancer, the prime meridian, the Tropic of Capricorn, and the Antarctic Circle. Now let's look at the locations. As shown on the map in figure 3.16, the Arctic Circle is in the north, while the Antarctic Circle is in the south. The equator sits at 0 degrees. For our next section, we answer questions based on figure 3.13. First, from which oceans and continents do all longitudes pass? All longitudes pass through both the Arctic and Antarctic oceans, as well as all 7 continents. Next, from which oceans and continents does the equator pass? It crosses the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans, and passes through the continents of South America, Africa, and Asia. Thirdly, which continents and oceans does the prime meridian pass through? It crosses Europe, Africa, the Arctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Antarctic Ocean. Fourth, from which continents do both 0-degree circles pass? Both the equator and the prime meridian pass through the continent of Africa. Finally, how many latitudes on the globe are circular in shape? There are 180 latitudes marked on the globe, and all of them are circular in shape.